I'm literally the happiest girl in the world right now because I have no lashes left and it's not okay. I am with the amazing, the incredible Olga.
Hello.
We're gonna do the most glam, most natural, most beautiful lashes and I can't wait. She has her own lash line. It's actually not normal because I've never seen these lashes before. They don't have them in the States, so whoever's coming to France, which I know you guys are gonna be coming soon, and pour mes copines françaises qui viennent ici, this is the place to come get your lashes. I can't wait. I'm gonna show you guys the after effect. It's like a candy store. I'm so excited. Which one should I get, guys? Which ones should I get? Woo. Olga's a genius, a magical genius. She put 3 different layers of lashes that are not even available in the States because they're so exclusive to how she creates them. So basically I feel just fresher and awake. Thank you, Olga.
Thank you, you too.
So considering that this is such a special, specific type of application, she has a school. She has a school. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, there's online classes. You can come into the studios here to learn how to do it. It's so beautiful. It's clean. It's gorgeous. It's purple, obviously my favorite color. So I'll put the link for you guys here to swipe up if you guys want to learn how to do this at home. I mean, this is like a second job for you or a change of a career. You never know. But I'm obsessed. I've never had my lashes.